The most effective drug to treat COVID-19 is ready for patient use, and local doctors are hopeful about what it means for the healthcare system.
News 3's Madeline Parker has more on how Paxlovid is being used by doctors to treat those most at risk for COVID.
This is the first treatment that I'm actually kind of excited about.
Pfizer's Paxlovid is on the market, and this is the first antiviral medication to have significant results for those with COVID-19. The studies show Paxlovid lowered hospitalizations by 90%, and in the study, deaths were reduced by 100%.
Now, of course, when it gets into the real world, it's not going to continue to be 100% effective, but that's still really good. And if we compare that to any other treatment that we've used for COVID to this point, the Paxlovid blows everything else out of the water.
The pill works by preventing the virus from replicating in your body, therefore reducing the risk of hospitalization.
90%. I mean, that's fantastic. And decreasing hospitalizations locally 90% is the difference between overwhelming the healthcare system and not overwhelming the healthcare system.
Right now, the pill is only being prescribed to those at very high risk. The studies show no reported side effects, but it does interact poorly with other medications like those that treat high cholesterol.
So if you're on a cholesterol medication and you get the Paxlovid, it's not that you can't take the Paxlovid, you just have to stop the cholesterol medication while you are on the Paxlovid.
And as more of the medication becomes available, doctors hope this could turn the tide in the pandemic.
So if we can get Paxlovid into the hands of all high-risk people, the implications for that are just huge, not just locally, but for the whole country.
Madeline Parker, News 3.
After about a week of being available in our area, Paxlovid is already out of stock. The timeline for when more will be in our region is still up in the air, but it could be available within the next 2 weeks.